You was brave. I'm gonna be brave. Huh, talk to the camera.
Y'all, this you see the little, you see the little space?
Yeah, let me show y'all. Hold on.
No, we're not even mad at how small the room is.
No, I am.
We get what you paid for.
Okay, so
But it's the simple fact that
is this light? Okay.
okay.
So let me just. So this is the door. Okay. Door. So imagine POV shot. Okay. So this is you coming in the door. This is the bathroom. Okay. Bathrooms.
Look at the doors.
The bathroom is not ugly.
Yeah, I love the bathroom. Not wrong with the bathroom.
But let me tell y'all what they did do. They room fished us. And let me tell you why. This room looked way bigger. It looked way bigger. It didn't look this small on the pictures. Yep. But that's the bathroom, right? So then you get to the main and only area. And that's it. Boom, bam, pow.
Tell them the story. I'm mad.
Okay, so
Introducing new Dove hand wash.
let me tell you all. So we booked this. Hold on. Can you turn this down? How you turn it down? Oh, she got the remote to work.
All you gotta do is turn the TV on.
Okay.
You just don't turn the TV on.
So we booked this. Well, she booked this room under what? Expedia, I think.
No, booking.com.
Bookings.com. So she booked the hotel, and I already said like it looked not way different. Like it looks like this in the pictures. It just looked more spacious. Like it looked more spacious for sure, right? So we get here, and mind you, she did the reservation because she's 21, I'm 20. So she did the reservation. So the minute we get here, we didn't spend the money on a bus ticket. Then took $80 from her deposit. From her account for a deposit. And we get here, and then the man like he get her ID. Well, he actually get her ID. Then he asked for my ID, and then he like, you under 21, like you gotta be 21, da da da. And like, he not gonna let me stay here. We don't have nowhere else to go. This is Queens, New York, sir. We're from West. Well, I'm from West Philly. So you want me to go back home? So we like, telling him the whole situation. Like we in power. Like we said, we're not from here, sir. We not gonna go to the Hilton because you done took all the money.
Exactly.
So he, that was that. So he did. He obviously does, come up. He like, no visitors, no guests, da da da. All right, whatever. So then she got lost going to check the room, and he wanted her to go check the room by herself. Well, he said either one of us could check the room by herself while the other one stood there. So she went to go check the room. I stood there. She didn't see the room at first, so she just came back and was like, I didn't find it. I'm just wait for you. So he do what he gotta do, say what he gotta say, and then when we go back about the room, we go the same way she went. That she couldn't find it, we went that way. And then he was like, when we came back to like the main little entry, it ain't even like a lobby. He was like basically like, that's the wrong elevator, like how you find it the first time. And she was like, I didn't find it the first time, that's why I said I was gonna wait for her. And he was like, when you get instructions, you gotta list, like, sir.
Then he took another $100 on my money.
For sure.
On top of the 80 that they already took. Somebody will be back 5 or 6 business days.
Talking about trying to make sure that we don't mess up the room.
I'm sorry, but look at that. What are we gonna mess up? That's already not messed up.
It's already messed up, sir. Wait, hello. Let me show y'all the kicker.
Like what?
Let me show y'all the kicker. We're in the fucking trenches. Trenches.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Where is the back to your remotes?
Next time we know what to do.
I was about to say, this is a learning experience. Because, well, I don't know about her. I ain't never done this before. Show y'all the ceiling real quick. Look at the
I
ceiling.
had plans with that money.
Like, who the fuck got up there?
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do to this room?
We were supposed to go to the damn Astoria Wine and Spirits.
Nail salon.
Then, excuse me. Then he like, ain't no room service, ain't no cleaning service. You want new sheets, new towels and new rags. You gotta put it outside. I'm assuming because COVID, but sir, you've already burnt this out for the weekend.
This is a rag.
That big ass hand towel. Like, for sure, we still gonna make the best of this. Of course. Oh, I was supposed to be. That's why I got on my phone, was looking how much I had in my account.
For sure we are, but I don't got no money.
I'm scared to look at my bank account.
I got literally $200. They took 180.
I'm always scared to do that, though.
Me too.
Oh, alright. Okay, it's not that bad.
I'm sorry.
I be splitting monies in my savings and my check-ins.
Yeah,
Like,
not
that's
bad.
gonna do something. Y'all want to see the view? We
Why?
share the view.
I'm mad because we can't, like,
Look at the views.
guess we can be walking around.
Oh, for sure. What? We is on foot. Okay?
Oh,
It's 6 o'clock. It's, yeah. It's just about 6.
And I think the line of spirits is closed.
Line of Spread's probably closed. Nail salon's probably closing. The way that it's going, she gonna be getting those. I ain't getting a bitch
I ain't
ass
getting
thing.
shit, girl. For
At
what?
this point, we about to just exit. Like, bro, any pictures?
Today? Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, they close at 11 p.m. down there.
Who, the nail salons?
No, though.
Wine and Spirits? Yeah, we in there like somewhere. I was being smart and I put the
18-minute walk.
That's light, bro.
In the bar, but wait, we closed it?
No, I put it out because if somebody try to come in
Oh,
here.
that's what it is?
Yeah, I don't know. It's giving janky. And I'm not being bougie. It's serious. It's just giving janky. Like,
We want to go tomorrow night.
how about the slides don't fit?
What? Yes, they do. I'm lying.
No, I swear to this is not supposed to be that tight. And I'm supposed to be able to put my foot in
No, that's just the way the slide is.
I was about to say.
I'm like, what? The whole time your foot's perfectly fitting here.
No. Hello, fuck y'all.
I'm so mad. Like,
No gas, just y'all. Yeah.
duh. Like, who else is gonna come here? We just said we're not from here.
Yeah.
Now we can't invite us. Ugh.
Girl, please.
Amanda, us, all of us, where we from. I'm not.
Right. Child, that's the thing. Now they don't be fine. Like, you really won't have to chance it and go to their house.
I'm sitting in front of their door. Hey.
Right, on the steps, out the project.
Unless they in the project. They in the project, I want to see. I gotta record.
When?
I gotta record. I gotta see. Let me see the house. Yeah, I'm from Philly. I don't know this.
Let me see us. Like, they go. Y'all got projects.
No, we don't. Not like this. No, we do, but.
Sir.
Yeah, crackheads walking in.
They all walking in all stumbling and stuff.
You got bed bugs and shit.
Yeah. Where's the air work?
It do work.
The air work?
It better.
Alright.
I'm about to say it better work.
It don't?
It do. Why you got this little ass sheet? What we gonna do?
What numbers there?
I said we're gonna be cold with this little ass sheet.
Don't got no put on comforter. That ass quilt. So. Child, for an alcohol bill, we about to get 2 bottles of Paul Mason.
No, bro, shit, the cheapest fucking liquor, dog.
We trying to find something to do tonight. These little ass pillows.
Yo, 2 little ass bony ass pillows. So I put twins.
We in the Voyage Hotel in Queens, New York.
Don't come here.
I mean, I didn't pull the camera out like as soon as we was fresh off the bus. The damn Uber driver,
So weird.
he was being weirdo. He asking us. Now this wasn't the weird part, but he asking us like, is it a way that we know to our destination? No. But when we first got in, she get in, she said hello, I think, and then I got in, and I said for Ashley, cause you know, select or whatever. So he literally like this. He like mask on. He like, oh, it was on a timer.
Oh.
He like this with the mask on. Like, what the fucking wrong?
I said, you speak English?
He was like, why? Yeah, yes, why English? English, why?
Like, dumb bitch.
You're not greeting us. You're not even saying hola. I mean, he wasn't Spanish, but
He ain't saying nothing. Look at him saying shit. Everybody knows I eat. Now I gotta pace my eating. I don't care. If it's a corner store right here, I get a chopped cheese. I'm like, Mom, guess what?
Girl. I want to see what other channels they got.
We're watching Law and Order.
I don't know how to watch that.
Ain't no rags. You got any big ass.
Big ass stand time.
Let me show y'all what the rags is. Let me
Oh, look.
This is the rag. We have a bad read. What you call it? On top of that, he talking about, oh, it's $100 deposit. You'll get it back when you check out. And the $80. So I said, so what was the $80 for? He said, oh, that's just to make sure that your card works. You gotta be in chips. Crazy. She stayed here because she wasn't 21. When in the world do anybody, if the person that's 21 makes the reservation, everybody else should be able to get in?
Let me get started. It's real good.
Excuse me.
Okay.
My sister, the famous Avenger.
Alright. What the hell? What the hell? Give me that. Thank you. Thank you. Tell me 50 years later, yeah, you know, Albert got the hookups. Oh, Albert. You should have told me that Albert had to hook up with the Hilton and the Caesars. Would have been there.